Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is dispersion of light and its causes. Now what is exactly dispersion of light? So do you know that Newton was the first who allowed the light from the sun to enter into a dark room through a small aperture in a window. So what he did? He allowed the light to pass through a hole in a dark room. And then what he did exactly, he placed a prism in the path of the ray. Just like this exactly, he placed a prism. After placing the prism, he found a colored patch like a rainbow on a white screen. So on that white screen, what he found? A colored patch. And this colored patch was called as the spectrum. The spectrum is nothing but when this light splits into different colors, that is called as spectrum. Now students, let's see what are the colors in spectrum. So the colors are in the following order. The first is violet, then indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and the last red. And this is how the rainbow has a name called as the Vibgyor. So what is Vibgyor? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Exactly. So students, from this experiment exactly what happened? Newton concluded that the white light is a mixture of 7 colors. So it is not exactly white light, it is a mixture of 7 colors. When white light passes through a prism, it splits into different colors, and this phenomena was called as the dispersion of light. For example, can you see here, there is a prism. If a white light passes through the prism, as soon as it enters the prism, it gets dispersed. And this phenomena is the dispersion of the light, and the patch is called as the spectrum.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.